In this video, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Odoo. First things first, let's head over right here to our GoDaddy. Now, once you have searched for that, get over to their website, and then from in here, just look for a domain name that you want to use on your Odoo that you can actually buy. So let's search in here for this, and let's search in here for this particular domain name. And then once you have done that, you should be able to click onto the search domains option in order to search in here for domains that has this particular name. So from in there, it will load. And then once it's done loading, you should be able to see in here some options. We have in here .ph, .ai, and the likes. So for this one, just head over and click onto this add to cart option. And then after you have done this, just need to head over and then buy this particular domain that we have chosen. Now onto your Odoo, head over to the configuration, click onto this domain name. Then after that, click on this my website is ready. I should be able to show you into this case. And then click on use my own domain and then connect the domain that you have just bought from GoDaddy and to your actual Odoo website.